Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This is a beautiful, colorful palette, the most color that we've gotten from Anastasia, and I was so excited to get this to review for you guys. So if you want to see me do an eyeshadow look using this palette, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. On into the eyes using the new Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. As you can see, I do have my brows done and I have my eyelids primed. I just used one of my favorite concealers, which is the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Beige. This is something a lot different than what we've seen from Anastasia Beverly Hills as far as their palettes. This one is probably the most exciting for me because I love color, and I mean, how could you not? This just gets you in the mood for spring. It's just beautiful, and packaging, I mean, it's like you're on a boat, on a yacht or something. It's not like the other ones, that velvety type of texture that gets really dirty really quick. This one kind of reminds me like a boat, really. The colors, the feel, like the way it actually feels, the texture, kind of just reminds me of a boat or something like that. I love it. Like, this is amazing. So I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop straight on into the eyeshadow. I've seen several reviews on this palette, and most people are really gravitating toward these beautiful bright colors like Cannes and Bahamas, the pink and the purple. I'm not gonna do that today. I want to do something with the yellow. I am really interested in this matte white actually, and I'm interested in this shade called Seychelles, this beautiful like shimmery blue. I mean, wow, look at that right there. So I'm gonna start off with Cabana actually, which is this mustardy yellow shade right here. I'm gonna take this Profusion blending brush that came in one of my Profusion palettes. Ooh, lots of kickback, but with Anastasia, that is to be expected. I honestly don't mind because I usually have really, really good, you know, experiences with their palettes, with the pigmentation and everything. So I do not mind it at all. And as you can see, I'm doing my eyes first. So I'm just gonna pop this into my crease. Okay, I was expecting that to be a little bit more pigmented, a little bit brighter. And I actually, you know, don't have my eyeshadow base set with powder or anything, so I should be getting, you know, the maximum pigmentation right now because I am putting this on top of wet eyeshadow base, and it's still really, really light, as you can see. But it is showing up. We're gonna bring this kind of high, and this will just be a nice neutral shade to kick everything off. Not vibrant at all. It's really muted actually. Not really what I was expecting, but it is pretty much true to shade in the pan. It does look the exact same on my eyes. I don't know why, I was just expecting something a bit brighter. And then as I was blending this and looking at the palette, I really started to get confused. These two shades, I really feel like the people that I've seen review this palette have been using these shades right here, the pink and the purple, the most, because that's really all they can use besides this deep brown shade on the end called Palm. There are not a lot of really good transition shades, especially for darker skin tones in this palette. Estate, which is this shade right here, can't do much with that. This shade, as you can see, I mean, very light. This shade Coastline, I do not think would show up as a transition shade on me. This shade maybe Monte Carlo. So there's not a lot that you can really do. So I really had to stop and think, like, what am I going to do that's not pink and purple? So I'm still thinking, and we're just gonna go with it, and hopefully it turns out okay. So next I'm gonna actually go into Palm, which is the deepest shade in the palette. It is this chocolatey brown shade on the end. I'm gonna take the brush that comes in the palette, the fluffy side, because we have to deepen this crease up some type of way. Some of this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Guys, so I'm still like really on the fence about this look so far. Like, it ain't looking too good. Let's go ahead and try to add some shimmer and see what we can do. I wish I just had a couple more shades to really, you know, blend this together. I'm gonna see what I can do, but first I'm gonna go in with some shimmers. I want to use both the yellow and the blue. I'm just trying to figure out which one I'm gonna use first. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade Inheritance first. Yes, really, really pretty. I'm gonna take that on the flat side of this brush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with a little bit of spray. It's a really pretty yellowy gold shade, which shades like this are really popular right now. It's like that trophy wife type of shade. I'm going to take the blue shade, which is called Seychelles. I believe that, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I'm usually really good at pronouncing, but that one is getting me. Seychelles, that's what I'm gonna say. And I'm gonna pack that on the other half. Looking a little crazy right now, so I'm gonna go back in with the first brush that I used Inheritance with. I love that name. Actually, I just got it. This is like a bougie, like rich person palette, you know, a socialite, really. You know, you're getting your inheritance. I'm going to just pat and blend these two shades together, like that. Ooh, see, look at that. You see the difference right there. Blended, not blended. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Starting to like it a little bit more, but we're still not done. We just need to do something with this brown. We need to really like blend it out some more. So I'm going to take one of my only options, which is Coastline right here. I'm actually just going to use the same brush that comes in the palette that I used Palm with, and I'm going to dip into Coastline, and I'm going to attempt to just blend this out a little bit. Yeah, that's actually okay. That's cute. Okay, yes, this is going to work. And definitely go back in with a little bit more Cabana, just so we don't lose that yellow right at the top. Alright guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and did my face as far as foundation, concealer, and powder. Now I'm going back to the eyes. I'm going to start with priming my lashes for falsies. I'm going to take one of my new favorite mascaras, which is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. This is the waterproof one. I have both and I really like both. The waterproof one is a bit harder to remove, but I couldn't find the regular one, so this one's just gonna have to work for today. This mascara really does lengthen your lashes, makes them really black. I love it. For falsies today, I'm going to use these Violet Voss lashes right here. These are in the style Sexy and I Know It. I actually got these from Target, and look how beautiful they are. Target does now sell Violet Voss lashes for $9.99, so I've heard really good things about their lashes, so I'm really excited to try these. So I'm just gonna pop these on right now, and then I'll be back so we can finish up the lower lash line and the rest of our face.
Alright guys, so for the lower lash line, all I'm doing is taking like a pencil brush and taking the shade Palm, which is that deep brown shade in the palette, and I'm just running that along my lower lash line, just really connecting that with the brown that's on the top. And then I'm taking a black eyeliner pencil. This one's by Maybelline, and I'm just going to line my waterline so it's nice and black. And then I'm just going to take that CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara once more to mix the falsies in with my real lashes, and also to add it to my lower lash line.
I have my baking beard on, and it's finally time to wipe it away. I love the way the eyes came out though. I really hope you guys like it too. So I'm going to go in with this Anastasia bronzer right here. This is in the shade Mahogany. This is a little dark for me.
but if I go really lightly, it will be okay. And I'm just gonna go over top of the liner with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Oh, this lip gloss is so beautiful. I love these gloss bombs. So only one more thing that I want to do that I forgot to do, which is highlight my inner corner. We can't forget to do that. So I'm actually gonna take this shade right here in the palette, which is called Mediterranean. Look at this. So pretty. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Ooh, I really feel like that just took it to a whole nother level. That's beautiful. So yes guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the look down in the comments below. Are you going to be getting the Anastasia Riviera palette? Are you interested in it? What do you think about the color scheme? I think it's absolutely stunning. I think this palette is stunning. The pigmentation is great. It's very pretty to look at. Aesthetically, it's gorgeous. I like it. I made it work. And I really love this look that I came out with. I think it's really, really pretty. Oh, I love it. And I love that pop of blue in the inner corner. I hope you guys like it too. So I do give the Anastasia Riviera palette 1 thumbs up. I don't think I would give it 2. It's not my absolute favorite because I do think that there are not enough transition shades for my skin tone, and definitely not for somebody deeper than my skin tone. A lot of these transition shades that are this whole row right here of mattes are just more subtle and light. I am happy with this purchase, and I'm going to be continuing to use it. For the price, $45, you be the judge. That is pretty pricey. It's not my favorite. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.